Hi everyone, today I'm going to make 4x7 segment display and connect to the Arduino board to display my information. The thing we need to use is 4x7 segment display and an Arduino board and some jumper and 4 220 ohm resistor. And we also need a USB cable to connect to the laptop. So I already done combining them earlier and now we're going to make the code to make it function. Without code, this combination doesn't make anything. So this is my Arduino code for my device. First, I define the common cathode and common anode as 0 and 1. And I write external Boolean mode equal to common anode, which means I make the common anode as my segment which will light up. And the common cathode is the segment which will turn off. And I also define the pin A until pin DB and D1 until D4. D1 and until D4 is the position of segment. And I also include the function.h file and array.h file. And in the void setup, I set up the pin A until D4 as the output to make it show the result. And in the void loop, I use print display and just write the information I need to display on the 4x7 segment display. And this is the speed of how the word will going to run from right to left. For example, if I go to 300, the alphabet and the number will move slower. And if I put 100, the word will run faster. Okay, so this is my array.h file. This file I need to put into the main file to make the main file know what the segment need to display when I type the specific words. For example, I type A, the main file will show up the A shape in the 4x7 segment display. So in array file, I need to define the array H and pin A until pin 4 and also include the functions H to make 3 of them connect together. And I also put characters in array, which is 39 because I have 38 row in here and I need to put extra one, so 39 signs. I also put the external byte digits D1 until D4, byte segment pin A until pin DB, and the byte char 39 and 9. So in here, 1 is the segment which is light up and 0 is the segment which is turned off. And 0 it will show on this line. For example, when big character D, it will show on this line, and Y, it will show on this line. So this is my function.h file. This file need to connect to the main file and the array file. And in here, I define the function h, include the array h file, and define the common cathode and common anode, and the pin A until D4. And inside the function h file, I put the void reset, which means when I type reset in main file, the 4x7 segment display will display nothing. And I also use void print digit and the void print display. Since we only use the void print display, so we don't need to explain the print digit. So in the void print display, I make the string phase and integer delay. String phase means the word we need to print up and the delay is the time we need to wait the word to stay for how long. And I also define 4 characters, which is character 1, character 2, character 3, and character 4, which means the first box, second box, third box, and fourth box. And I also make a integer string length, which is the length of the word. And if the string length is less than 5, it will show up from right to the left. Else in here, which means if the length is more than 5, it will also come out from right to the left, and the word on the left part will disappear one by one, and make the user looks like the word is going from right to the left. And the last, I put the end if to end the function.h. So this is how my result showing up. It going from right to left. So that's all. Thank you.